How to transfer Google Photos from one account to another. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Photos, log into your account. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. You'll find plus button on top on right side. Simply click on it and you'll find import from other places. You can import from here or simply click on share with partner. You'll find choose starting date and then you can choose photos to share. After you've done that, you can include content from another Android apps as well. After that, simply click on select partner, add your another email account and photos will be transferred as your starting date. And this is how to transfer Google Photos from one account to another. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.